All right, Dave Jack's Cold Blues here. I said a few weeks ago, out of Popeye's fried chicken sandwiches. What's going on? You know, I think they overheard me. Like maybe the big brothers tapped my phone, and they passed it on to Popeyes. I said, why did Popeyes have a fried chicken sandwich? I was thinking of putting on a biscuit, you know, for $1.50, $2. But they came up with a good one with $3.99, but they're out. It's sold out completely. So here's gonna be my version of it. A little blackened seasoning, and then got a little scrambled egg. So I was gonna get buttermilk, but man, why don't they don't sell buttermilk in a pint. You gotta buy a quart. Who needs a quart of buttermilk? It's a conspiracy with the people, you know. Probably there's only one producer of buttermilk, because who drinks buttermilk? But my mother used to drink it. Little Frank's Red Hot. But my mother used to drink it, and 5 kids. I was the youngest of 5 kids, and we had to set the table. So we play a prank on each other. When my mother sat at the table, she drank buttermilk. And we'd put the buttermilk in somebody else's place setting, and you know, for me, I sit down and guzzle. I come off the playground or whatever. I guzzle the buttermilk. Oh, you couldn't spit it out. So, but here's what we got. Put a little flavor in there with the, and then I'm even going to put a little bit of blacking in the flour. We want this thing well seasoned. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go in the mixture, back in the flour, and then we're gonna do the same here. Oh, I forgot the flour. See. You want to press that flour right down into it real nice. And back in the egg mixture. Press that flour in good so it adheres to it. Probably 2 pieces would have done it, but I said, you know what, we're going to make it extra special. No such thing as too much fried chicken. Okay, I'm going to rinse my hands off. Be right back. So now time to get busy. Got some nice rolls. I like to toast both sides of them. So up under the broiler, don't burn them, and then a little bit we're gonna pan fry these. So a little bit of butter, they're nice, super hot. Okay. Let that slowly go a little bit. I have it's going to be for the, I got a couple of jalapenos. A little sweet relish. A little more Frank's Red Hot. And just a little bit more mustard. That's going to be on our sandwich.
It smells great.
little jalapeno slices will be the surprise. Okay, that's our deal right there. Then, you know, to me, lettuce is the important thing. Lettuce to me is the important thing. But I want to slice it nice and thin. Okay? Because to me, if you got a whole leaf, then then when you take a bite, it all comes out. The whole leaf comes out with one bite. So I like a little lettuce on my chicken sandwich. You're just doing a hotel, look. See? Don't waste anything. Don't forget, this is for us. This is not for the customer. When I'm sauteing over here, I don't bread. We got a breading station. I don't handle raw product. It comes over, they pass it to me. There's a lot of these armchair chefs out there that think it's cross-contamination and all this. I don't cross-contaminate. But look at that beauty. All right, Glenn?
That looks great.
All right. Let's check our bread. Yeah. I want a nice golden brown on that, so I'm going to kick the fire up. I have to take one for the team on this, Glenn, because I'm doing that low carb, leading, you know, as close as I get to keto. And but I have to take a little taste for the team here. I'm not gonna one, 2, 3 bites max. What are you laughing at over there, B? Huh?
3 and it's gone.
9 bites max.
Ah, B. I thought you were all right. I was even going to have you be my test pilot over here, but I don't know now. Huh? I'm going to have to go with a tried and true Beto. Oh, Beto, what'd you say? Beto, come here for a second. Come over here for a second. Come here for a second. Tell the world what you were saying about homemade buttermilk.
Oh, if you ain't got buttermilk and you need it and you want it, this is a hillbilly thing. Just squeeze a couple slices of lemon into a little bit of milk. Let it sit for a bit. It'll taste just like it. Awful.
Hey, let it set for a bit. You got time for a couple shots of moonshine.
Yeah. Drink some clear liquor.
That's Beto's favorite. A friend of ours brought us some orange moonshine. But man, it was, how many proof? 80? 80 proof?
It was flour, it's really good.
No, it was really tasty. My friend Harley. That's kind of what I'm looking for right there. I'm gonna put a couple jalapeno slices on the bottom.
Is that like a remoulade?
Yeah, remoulade, yeah. Okay, this is what I like, you know. I like the top to be nice and crisp. You know, it's all in how you build a sandwich, like what's underneath. So, like I said, I was going to put some sweet pickles on here, but I said I was going to put the relish. What do you think, man? That's almost enough, right?
I think so.
Huh?
Nothing succeeds.
We don't-
Success.
Glenn, we got a dilemma here.
I
Right.
think you might have to build another one.
Think so?
I think so.
I just put it right on top now.
Yeah, let's put it on top.
What the hell? Okay. What do you think on here? Maybe just a touch?
Just a touch.
Touch. I'm gonna go a little bit more lettuce.
Holy crap. That's a
All right, who wants to taste the sandwich? Come on, B. No, you could have lettuce and tomato. You could have lettuce and tomato.
Add some cheese.
Add some cheese. What else?
Some pepper jack cheese.
The Bubba Gumper cheese of chicken sandwiches here.
Yeah, it is.
Could have what? Cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion slice, more pickles, bacon,
Bacon.
Oh, man.
ranch dressing.
Ranch.
We all know bacon makes everything better.
I'm gonna cut it in 4 pieces.
Right.
Jack, I might have to try that.
Huh?
I might have to try that.
Come on.
Just be careful, the plate's really hot.
Come on, Carl. I'm gonna take this slice off.
This
Go ahead,
is
Carl. Come on in.
this is why I don't eat breakfast before I come to work on video days.
I mean, Justin, you want to try it? Metal?
That's really good.
Yeah, what do you got?
Right?
You know, we could do like Chick-fil-A does. Marinate the chicken in pickle juice. Wouldn't be bad. Marinate that chicken first thing. Some hot sauce, however hot you want it. I got a piece of jalapeno to really set it off.
You got one left?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Just like this?
Almost as good as the McChicken,
Better. Way better.
but,
Yeah, we got it.
but real chicken.
That's fine.
Yeah, really good.
Glenn, I'm gonna have to make you one now.
Wow. That's ridiculous.
You know what? It's gotta be all right. Even Carl.
I know.
Carl eat it.
2ketodudes.com.
Oh, great.
What is it?
I'm not here.
Oh, he's got a blog, 2 Keto Dudes.
That's it.
He's the king of keto around here. Has a big festival every year. Fantastic musician, good friend, and
Amateur chef.
yeah, good chef, man. What we got coming up pretty soon? We're gonna do a keto hot brown sandwich
Oh, yeah.
next week. Bad Guys Go with the Blues chicken sandwich. I think we did pretty good. Check it out.
Nothing left.
Scraps.